guys, I don't line my lips. We always bigger. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to try out on my skin. You know, I'm dark skinned, so I decided to try it on me, and you guys are going to see what it's looking like at the end of this video. So please make sure to stay tuned to see how it looked. And yeah, just loved how my lips looked. Like, it was so beautiful. So you guys are just going to have to watch through the video and know how I did it. There will be no voiceovers. I'm using the Natural Beauty Cheese. I'm using the Natural Beauty Long Lasting Lipstick, and I'm going to be using this Hollywood Lights. Using Hollywood Lights lip gloss lipstick, and I'm just going to outline the colors like this to create that reddish consistency. Well, isn't the one done line my lips? We always looks bigger. Next video, and in the future, and I'll be doing more tutorials for you guys and more lip art tutorials. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.